Google just dropped the Pixel 11 series, and honestly, there's a lot to like here. The lineup includes the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the new Pixel 11 Pro Fold. But the biggest upgrade might actually be what's happening under the hood. The Pixel 11 series is powered by Google's new Tensor G6 chip, and Google is putting a huge focus on AI performance and efficiency. And that brings us to one of the coolest new features, HiLight. The Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL have colorful LEDs around the camera flash that can light up when you get notifications, calls, or interact with Gemini. So even when your phone is sitting face down, you can get a quick visual cue. The cameras are also getting a serious upgrade. The Pixel 11 gets a new 48 megapixel main camera and up to 30 times super zoom, while the Pro models push Pro zoom all the way up to 120 times. Google is also promising faster night sight and better low light photography.